Alright, we're within the rail car center now. These are the North Core elevators. As you can see, this goes down to where you can get a rental car. Let's go down to 1. That says it's going up. Interesting. Let's see how long it takes to change. Now it doesn't say anything. And we were gonna do a cab view first. Here's the certificate. We're already down at 1. Pretty fast. Let's go back up to 4.
Elevator is going up.
Let's finish our cab view real quick.
Floor 4.
Alright, the South Core elevators are identical to these ones. We're gonna go and ride those next. There it goes. And off to the South Core.